Every rally for our team is like a small celebration, and this rally is even more special because Reinis Nitišs is joining our team, and we will try to do our best to give maximum new knowledge and new experience for Reinis. And I'm co-driving him in this rally, and I will try to be a good coach and good co-driver.
Every day my relationship with the rally, I think, is closer and closer, because I had the debut back in 2015, where I did the European Championship with the R2 car, and now again I'm in the rally car, Group N, four-wheel drive, together with Maris. At the moment it feels that we are working closely together with Maris, and this time I had the chance to be part of his team, and that's nice, because Maris can help me a lot, because he's been driver himself in the past, and now he's my co-driver, and for sure he can slow me down a bit when it's needed, and it's nice to be here.
Reinis is a world-class driver, and we are very proud to service him, and I'm very proud to coach him and give some rally knowledge.
Ралли Латвия для нас всегда была непростая гонка. Достаточно много асфальта. Так получается, что мы на асфальт едем совсем мало, наверное, только в Риге практически. Поэтому для нас это сложно. А так, грунтовые допы, да, мы знаем, и это более привычное для нас покрытие. Здесь получаем удовольствие, а на асфальте работаем. Но я уже давно работаю с Гунчей, да, это механик, шеф-механик, который отвечает за нашу машину. Других ребят я знаю чуть меньше, и претензий нет, а Гунч вообще профессионал с большой буквы.
I think I simply need to go faster and faster, because the last 2-3 rallies show that we can go without big mistakes, and we are more or less stable on the road. And we need to just improve slightly on our speed so we can get better and better with each rally, and that's what we'll try to do in this rally. We'll try to do our best on the tarmac sections, which are quite long this year, around 50 kilometers. But well, do not forget about the gravel as well, which is as well 50, I think. So gravel and tarmac, 50-50, and we need to go as hard as possible.
To shine, and I see it burn when you bring me sunlight. Is it all you need to feel this heat? To feel like everything's all that you dreamed? Is it all too much?
The race was good, despite the small mistakes we did yesterday. Still, the race was perfect. I believe those 20 seconds that we lost yesterday actually didn't mean nothing, because if we didn't have those plus 20 seconds, we'd still be here in the third position. We could not catch Janis, obviously, and Benedictus was already slightly behind us more than half minute. So, yeah, actually everything was pretty good. The last special stage was perfect. Actually, the two cars in the track, good job done by Janis Krasnić, I believe, and yeah. Very good race, and really happy that the race took place in July rather than in rainy October.
Я думаю, будет подиум, все в порядке, свою задачу выполнили на гонке. Проблемами первый день техническими, но второй вроде все хорошо. Сложный был асфальт, конечно, а самый крутой был вот этот длинный доп сегодняшний, грунтовый. Он был, конечно, изюминкой на ралли.
Man liekas, ka ļoti laba sacīkste. Esam finišā, un es domāju, ka ļoti labu rezultātu. Tā kā pieredze tiešām iegūta, tīpaši uz grants ātrumposmiem. Asfalts tas tāds, es varētu saukt par savējo, bet tāpat cīņa līdz pēdējiem metram ar citu klašu braucējiem, un vienmēr jau tu skaties uz to absolūto kopvērtējumu, un kur tu tur atrodies. Protams, var labāk, vienmēr var labāk, bet esmu apmierināts. Milzīgs paldies vispār mašīnai, nekādu tehnisku ķibeļu. Tā Māra novadīti cilvēki saskrūvēja, uzņēmās atbildību, un esam te. Un, kas attiecās uz Māri, tad arī viss ir nolasīts. Kaut kur pagru, kaut kur pa vēlu, kaut kur atkārtoja. kaut kur vajadzēja man palīdzību un kopā esam izdarījuši, man liekas, ka ļoti labu darbu par to. Paldies viņam un viņa komandai.